Hello YouTubers and welcome to Deal's Prime Review channel. This is part 2 of the Pipo Max M1 tablet PC review. It's a dual core RK3066 tablet PC running at 1.6 gigahertz. It has dual cameras, 2 megapixel back camera, power supply plug, a USB host, USB port, HDMI port, microphone hole, TF card slot or micro SD slot supporting up to 32 gigabyte cards. There's a reset pinhole button there, escape button, we have volume buttons over here, and the power button. Now this is running Android 4.0.4, the latest version of Android. I'm gonna turn off the lights while we go through these through the menus. Now this screen is it's an IPS screen, which is basically the same screen that the iPad 2 uses. It has a wider viewing angle. It has a 180 degree viewing angle, so it's kind of like anti-glare under the sunlight. So the applications that come pre-installed with the Max M1 are Flash, Adobe Flash 11.1. Okay, Bluetooth share, browser, camera, dual cameras, ebook, e-reader, Google Play Store, which is the new version of the renamed Android market, so you can download free and paid apps there. Games. This has a Mali 400 GPU, so you can handle games. Google Maps. Oh. So this is the song that comes pre-installed on the unit. The lights are turned off, so it'll be hard to take a picture. As you can see, the screen is ultra clear and responsive. It's 10-point multi-touch. 4:3 ratio, 1024 by 768 pixels. This tablet has 16 gigabytes of built-in memory, 1 gigabyte DDR3. Now the front camera is one megapixel, and the back one is 2 megapixels. 4,000 milliamp battery for long battery life. So you can see the wide viewing angle, but you put it like this, you can still see it. G sensor as well. So for gaming, it's really ideal, like race card gaming or whatever. Huh. Wow. Okay, so this wraps up this review of the Pipo Max M1. You can buy this tablet at dealsprime.com. Just do a search for Pipo Max M1. The tablet comes with free shipping. Okay, so leave us reviews on our YouTube channel if you want to see any additional features, and we'll try to get a part 3 video, in-depth gaming or browsing the internet review. Alright, from Deals Prime, thanks for watching. Bye.